Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a project share to share with you guys, and I made a bunch of Valentine's Day cards using this card kit. So this is my first time ever trying a card kit. I loved it. It was so easy to make cards. I just had like a show on. I had arranged all the cards according to the instructions that they give you. I didn't exactly follow them. I just kind of looked at the pictures, but it was easy enough to figure it out. So yeah, I want to share with you guys the cards that I made. They are basically exactly like this. There was a couple of extra like chipboard pieces and a couple of extra die cut pieces that I just added in on the cards because I was like, what am I going to do with that? So let me show you guys what I made. I will have the Simple Stories card kit linked down below with this Lots of Love collection linked below in case you guys want to get it as well. But it was so fun to do, and it was like mindless, kind of like crafting, you know, like I didn't have to think much. So it was actually really nice. So let me show you guys what I made. Also, if you're interested in purchasing any of these cards, they are all listed in my Etsy shop, so you guys could check it out there. But yeah, so let's get started. All right, so I have these 8 cards that I made. As you guys could see, I have a black border around mine. The cards in like the example, they did not have a black border. I just added mine just because. So here is one of the cards. And they didn't have any inside decorations either, but whatever I cut off from the strips, I added in on the inside, plus a black border as well, and then like a white matted sheet. So that's the inside of my first card. Then here's my, let's try to arrange these in a way that works. Here's my next card. I did the black border again. I mean, it looks just like pretty much this right here, except that I added these 2 hearts. And then the inside didn't have anything, and I just added that using some of the scrappies that I had cut off and some of the extra like flag die cuts. So that's that one. Then I created this one that says hang in there. I got some black around this piece, and I did some black around the flag and the border. And then the inside looks like this. And I just used my ATG tape to stick everything on, with the exception of the chipboard that I used my Barely Arts glue for. And I did also pop this up on some foam, I think it was. Did I pop it up on foam? Yeah, foam tape right there. So just so it pops up a little bit more. Then I made this one, black border, black around that minty strip. It says you're a top quality friend. And then you open this up, and again, just some of my scraps and some of the leftover die cuts that they had in the collection. But guys, this was so easy. If you guys have been wanting to do one of these, like, you should definitely see and give it a try. I didn't purchase it at full price. I got it when it was on sale during one of the Black Friday sales from A Cherry on Top, so I'm happy I picked it up. This one says, I really love you. How cute. And this one had everything except these flowers, and these I had extra left over, so I added them in there. And you guys could see I did black matting all throughout pretty much. And then the inside, that's a leftover chipboard pieces and a strip from one I cut off from one of the cards. So there's that one. Then there's this one that says sending you lots of love. Again, all of the black matting. This one was a pain in the butt because it's like scalloped on the bottom, but I actually really like how that turned out with all the black matting in here. And I think this one is exactly almost like the card. You were supposed to use a die cut here, but I just used one of the chipboards, and I had to pop one up on a little bit more foam dimension to be even with this one. They're not thick, they're pretty flat, so they're still great for flat mail. This chipboard is not like thick at all. And then you open this up, and some leftover die cut pieces. So there's that one. Then I also have this one. This one says, I love you so much. It's a cute little panda. I think this one is exactly like the card with the exception of the black outline on the I love you so much and the black outline on the card. And then the inside I decorated. And then the last one for my 8th card is this one that says, "You mean the world to me." This heart was part of the design. This one wasn't. It was an extra die cut I had. I also added in a little bit of twine here for the tag and stapled that on there. And yeah, and my black outline obviously. And then here was the inside. I keep forgetting what this means. Oh, sealed with a kiss. Oh my gosh, I remember looking it up yesterday because I was like, I have no idea what that means. All right, so that is everything. That's all 8 cards that I made. This was just so fun to make. I hope it's still on sale, but I will link it for you guys down below, whether it's on sale or not, and you guys could decide for yourself if you guys want to get it or not. But it was really fun to make. I think I actually do have another card kit, maybe for like a wedding. Not entirely sure. I have to go through my stash, but this was a perfect Valentine's Day like activity, some like mindless kind of crafting, and I loved it. It came together within 2 hours for all of these cards while watching a show, so I was a little distracted, but it still came together pretty fast. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.